Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a new stitch, and I am using the Lion brand Mandala. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to chain. I'm going to make a scarf, so I'm just going to chain 30 chain, and I'm going to start the stitch right away. Okay, so chain as well. You don't have to chain 30, and I am doing this tutorial first time. I will be crocheting with you guys. I saw a picture, so I'm just going to look at the picture and do the tutorial. So this way I will know how to crochet the stitch, and you will know how to crochet the stitch, as I haven't seen this stitch before, so I don't know what it is called. And yeah, so I am using a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, just a chain, and then I will switch it to a 5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, so chain as long as you need. On this one I'm going to be making a scarf, so I'll just only chain 30 chain. Okay, so I chained 30. Let me just move this, and then on top of that I am going to chain 3 more stitches. Okay, so I have 33 stitches here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go on the third. So right here, I'm going to make 3 double crochets right here. Okay, but I'm going to count that 3 chain as well. And then I'm going to chain 3. And on that same spot, I'm going to crochet 3 double crochets. Okay, I liked the way it was look, and it was a dress. This was crocheted around and around as a dress, and I am planning to use this stitch to make dresses, or the yarn has to talk to me before I started, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the stitch before I go into a big project. Okay, so I'm going to be skipping two chains, 1, 2, and on the third I'm going to make a V. To make a V, I'm going to double crochet. I'm just checking. Yeah, there's no chain between, so 3 chain. And then on that same chain, I'm going to make another double crochet. So this way I'm going to be creating a V. I call these V's. Okay? So again, I'm going to be skipping 2 on the third. I'm going to make a double crochet, just like this. It's going to be lightweight, and what's going to happen is it's going to be lightweight, and it's going to look lacy. So after 3 double crochet, I'm chaining 3, and on that same chain I'm going to make 3 double crochet right here. And this is how it looks like. Again, I'm going to be skipping 2 on the third. I'm going to make a double crochet, chain 3, and I did change my crochet hook, just wanted to double check. Okay, I made my V, 3 chain, 1 double crochet. Again, skip 2 on the third, make 3 double crochet, three chain, I do get asked for a chart. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't have time to sit down and draw a chart. This is the purpose I'm doing the tutorial, and I follow most of my stitches on pictures, old magazines, which there's so many stitches out there. It's that the stitch has to talk to me and the yarn has to talk to me, so I can create something. It's a design thing, I guess, the artist thing, that you have to have that moment. Okay, so I did my 3 chain, 3 double crochet, and then I skipped 2. On the third I made a double crochet. I'm going to chain 3, and I'm making a V and then another double crochet. Actually, this is a 2-row repeat. So what you need to do is, so we're skipping 2, and on the third we're making we're working on it, right? So I would say you need to chain multiple of 3. Yeah, but if you want to count these V's and these double crochets, then you need to chain multiple of 6, because we're skipping 2 right on the third. We're chaining. That's how you can figure out. Okay, it's super easy, and I think it's going to go fast. I don't want anything complicated, especially if you're going to be working on a big project. You can make baby blankets as well. Oh, what did I do here? Okay. Okay. So this is how it looks like so far. Made my 3 chain, made my 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and 2, 3 double crochet. So there's no chain between when we're skipping to skipping the 2, and on the third we're making a double crochet. So there's no chain between. 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet. Oh, 30, see? So this is going to work out perfectly. So I'm going to skip 1, 2 right here. I'm going to make my 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and my 3 double crochet. Okay, so we finished the first row. So I'm going to chain 3. Okay, and I am going to be starting the second row. I'm just double checking if I missed anything. Yeah, everything looks okay. Okay, so right here I am going to make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and then make another double crochet. So what I'm doing is I'm making the opposite on each top. So I'm jumping here, and then I'm going to be making 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, going to the other one, and then making a V here, double crochet, 3 chain, and then make a double crochet, jump to the V, and then make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. You can make beautiful tops for you know, for summer with this stitch. Beach dresses. And this is how it looks like. See, like I said, I'm a tight crocheter. If you're a loose crocheter, it would be more loosey, more lacy. That's why I'm trying to crochet as loose as I can, but unfortunately I can't. Okay, so double crochet, 3 chain, and then make a double crochet, jump to the V, 3 double crochet. So we're doing the opposite what we did on the previous row. That's all we're doing. It's actually a 1-row repeat, but we're doing the opposite on the previous row, so it's like a 2-row repeat. 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. We jump to the next one, and then we make V's, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet, jump to the next V, and make the opposite, crochet 3 double crochet. If I am crocheting fast, you can go to settings and you can slow down So easy. I'm sorry, this is the slowest I can crochet. Just like this. And here we're going to finish how we started with a V. So 1 double crochet. Oops, forgot the 3 chain between. 3 chain, turn our work, and then make 3 double crochet. So I'm counting this 3 chain. I don't want to have any extras, so 3 chain, 3 double crochet. And this is all we do, so we repeat it one after another. So I'm going to crochet all the way to the end, and I will show you how to do the turnaround again. And just to show you, this is how it looks like, and it gives you this nice lacy look. So I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm at the end. I did my 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and I am crocheting the last 3 chain, and I chain 3 to turn, and here I make my V. Double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, and my color is changing because of the mandala. Okay, so here I'm going to be jumping to the V, and I'm just repeating over and over what I've been doing. I'm just crocheting the opposite what I've been crocheting on the previous row, and always 3 chain between. But when we're skipping to another stitch, we don't chain. Like when we're skipping from here to here, we don't chain. So this is all to it. If you get lost, you can just go back, rewind, and do it over again. It's so easy, it's so simple, and see how fast it goes. I just love the texture. So I'm going to crochet a couple of rows. You know what, I'll show you one more time how to do the turnaround, because especially for new crocheters who just started to crochet, they have difficulties turning around. Okay, so I will crochet to the end, and I will come back and show you, and after that I will crochet a couple of rows just to give you an idea how the stitch looks. Okay, so I'm at the end of the row. I did my 3 double crochet, so I'm jumping and I'm making my V. I did my double crochet, 3 chain, and then make another double crochet. So here what I do is I just turn around, 3 chain, and then on top I do the opposite, 3 double crochet. Well, because of the 3 chain, I only do 2 because it gives me that 3 double crochet look. And I do my 3 chain, and this is how we do the turnaround. Yeah, so let me crochet a couple of rows and then come back to show you how it looks like. It's a super easy stitch. I just thought it looks nice, lacy, and I just wanted to share you this stitch. I keep on forgetting I need to make a V. 3 chain, and then a double crochet, and then it goes fast, and this is what I'm looking for. I just want to give a nice lacy look on if I'm making a top, summer. See, I did 3 chain here, so to see how it looks like. So we don't want it to look like this. No way. No. So I will rip that off, and then what I do is I poke my crochet hook. See how it changes? So just be cautious when you're making mistakes. Just be cautious. There's no 3 chain between when you're skipping. It totally changes the look, so we don't want that. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat what I just did, and then I will crochet a couple of rows, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I knit a couple of rows, and I just wanted to show you how to do the turnaround again. Okay, so I'm going jumping here, and I'm going to make a V, double crochet, 3 chain, double crochet, 3 chain, turn around and make the opposite. So 3 double crochet, which is the 3 chain I count, 3 chain, 3 double crochet, and I crochet the length that I need. Jump here, 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet to crochet a V, and this is all to it. It's really nice and it goes fast. 3 chain, 3 double crochet. You don't have to count anything. You just look. If you're lost, you just look what you're supposed to be doing, and you do the opposite. 1 2 3 double crochet and jump here, 3 double crochet, and it goes on and on and on. So I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to show you a super easy, that's what I'm aiming for, to create bigger items, to make your own clothes, tops. Like I said, you can make dresses. This stitch was on a dress that I saw. Can't remember where I saw it, but I usually screenshot and then put it on my desktop and to create something with it. Oops, see what I did? So don't do that. Make a 1 double crochet, 3 chain. See how it changes the stitch? So we don't want that. We don't want to change the stitch. We don't want to change the look. We just want to have a nice, beautiful, lacy stitch. So I hope you like this tutorial, and yeah, I will, this is going to be a scarf, like I said, and I'm going to be donating it. So I'm just using the yarn that I have, and if you want to see the finished look, I usually post it on my Instagram or on my fan Facebook. You can check the links on my About section, or I put the links below under the video. So yeah, but you need to go onto your laptop to see that. I guess you can't see it on your cell phone. Yeah, so stay tuned for my new tutorials. I'm working, well, in my head I'm working on a cardigan, and I will start that as soon as possible. I just need to clear this area because I have lots of whips here. Okay, well, take care. Happy crocheting, everybody.